Okay guys, so as you know, it's been snowing, it's icy, it's everything. So I'm going to think of a way to fix this up for my pup because she not go potty when it's cold like this. So what I'm gonna do, I don't have a shovel. We supposed to have got a shovel, but we didn't. We got a shovel, but not that type of shovel. So I am going to make a DIY shovel. I'm going to get all this shoveled off. To be honest with you, I'm gonna do it right here, just straight out the door. Get all this, put some ice stuff down, and fix it up so she can just go straight out and use the bathroom. Because I'm telling you guys, when you got a pup, you better make a way that they can use the bathroom. Because if not, you gonna be falling and they gonna be falling. Because it's not only snowing now, it's also raining. So let's go ahead and get it taken care of. So one thing I wish I had, y'all, is some plywood. I seen people like doing a whole driveway with some plywood, but I don't have that. So what I'm gonna do is I am about to use this rug. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this rug. If you know that it's snowing, if you can just go ahead and put the rug down in your yard, then you don't gotta worry about cleaning the space to put it down. But again, if you know it's about to snow, go ahead and put your rug down, and then anytime they got a potty, you just lift it up, let them potty, clean it up, and then put the rug back down so you don't got to worry about cleaning up the snow. I got that from this YouTuber long time ago, some years ago, Mr. Hey Now. So thank you for telling me about that. Him and Edna Jean. I love their little channel. But anyway, guys, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna try to see if a rake will work. I don't know. We're gonna see. But if it don't work, what I'm gonna do, guys, this is a dustpan. I am going to put the dustpan. I'm gonna tie the dustpan, y'all. Excuse me, baby. Hey, girl. That's my pup. She said, hey. She happy that I'm doing it. I'm about to tie this right like this. Again, this is a broom and a dustpan, and I'm gonna try to use the dustpan like a scraper. We gotta do what we gotta do, guys, because I'm not trying to fall out there. It's very icy. Once again, I want you to see it. It's very icy, and I'm not trying to fall, okay? And another thing we do have also, we've been having this for a very long time. It's been out in the garage. I'm gonna put some of this ice melt down. I don't wanna put too much down because I heard it can mess up your concrete. So be careful putting too much of this stuff down. Got some ponytail holders. All I'm gonna do is just tie this the best way I can, y'all, right here. So just tie it right here, nice and tight, because we finna use it as a shovel, y'all. So nice and tight, okay? Cut a rubber band in half and just tying it like a shoestring. And I would do maybe about a good 3 to 4 because you don't want it to come off easy. Okay, guys, we got one. I'm gonna go get another one, and I'm gonna put another one right there. Okay, so just again, cut it and tie it. Okay, guys, so again, we already got one. I'm gonna put another one right here and right there. Cut it in half and tie it. So again, guys, just take the ponytail holder and just cut it in half. I'm about to tie it around. Tie it real tight. So you don't have to worry about it coming off. And when it's time to get off, you can just cut it. Keep it for a little minute because you might need it. Because we're gonna do an extra one just to make sure it don't come off. Gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, let's see if it works. The rake, and we'll try the little DIY that I done. Let's see which one work. Which one you think will work? Post below which one you think is gonna work. And again, guys, this is just for the little walkway area. If you have a bigger area, this might work. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? The rake work. It's turning into slush, but I mean, it's getting it up. I mean, if that's all you got, you gotta do what you gotta do. So we see that the rake can possibly work, but I will go this way because it turned into slush the opposite way. Okay, so let's see if my little thing that we made work. It don't work. It don't work. It don't work. It don't work. Actually do work. You gotta hold both of them though. Let me show you. Gotta hold it. Look, it worked, y'all. So hold it, take it. hold it, take it. Look, y'all, hold it, take it. So see, sometimes you gotta do a DIY. Just hold it and then take it. That this work, you just gotta unfortunately bend down and get it out. So we can use a dustpan. So if you don't have a shovel, just use a dustpan. See, put that on work in to be able to get your pathway clear. Look at that. See? Sometimes now you just gotta do a DIY. You just gotta do DIY. And we good. And I'm about to do all the pathways like this. Okay? Don't say I didn't tell you nothing. Watch this. Look. I'm gonna come back when I'm done too. Look. And it's good exercise for the arms. Okay, bye guys. Okay guys, I did it. It looked 100% better than it was. Now I'm about to put the melt stuff down. And there you go, your own DIY shovel. Okay guys, so I have a little space for her. And I'm gonna put the rug down. So I'm gonna just lift up the rug. Don't put any salt down right here because you know how dogs like to lick and stuff. But I did put salt down out here by your pathways, your walkways and going out. Okay, follow for more. Okay guys, so now I am done doing what I do. What you're gonna do is every time they go out, you just lift up this rug and it will stay nice and clean and you don't gotta worry about snow or anything being on it. So again guys, I found me an emergency shovel and it worked good for pottying. Because I'm telling you, my pup would not be able to potty, and then I wanted to make sure it was a nice pathway for us as well. What I did also is I put some salt down, guys. I did the front too, because I didn't want to, fall. So get you some salt as well. We've been having this for a while, and it worked. Okay, follow for more.